This is not right. Don't give up. I can't fight. I can't believe this happened to me. Pull yourself together. My mind, my sanity. Hold on to reality. We have reached the end. Reach out for me. Let me crawl back into the corner. Here I sit and cry. Here I die. Please say goodbye. Something you should know. Was leaving on your own. Skipped away, no need to stay. Why stay with me? Help you find your sanity. But my world is crumbling down. What's happening to me now? Look, the end, it must be now.